Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to find invalid clicks in Google Ads. So invalid clicks are generally bot or software hits, and we can say unhuman clicks. So these are you know auto detected by Google Ads, and you can see how many clicks you get, and you can see what to do with these clicks. And if you are getting so many invalid clicks, then you have to think about to how to stop them. Maybe you are getting other clicks as well, so you can block that IP. And so many options you have to do that. First of all, this video is only for that where to find that invalid clicks. First of all, you have to click on campaign, and inside the campaign you have to click on campaigns. And now you can see a columns. Click on columns and then click on modify columns, and here you can search invalid clicks. That's it. And you can see the invalid clicks. You have to check this box, and this is inside the performance or other. If you not able to find, you can search directly, or you can find inside the performance. And then apply, save your column set. If you want to save it with the other name, you can do this. Otherwise you can simply apply. So you can find this invalid clicks here. So now you can see the data. It's a demo count, there is no clicks right now, but in your case you might find some clicks if you are getting a fake or bot or software clicks. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you still have any query, you can ask me in the comment box, or you can ask me on my website techcans.com. Thank you.